What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a hair review. Yes, I'm finally doing my first hair review ever, and this hair review is on Beauty Forever. I got a 20-inch frontal, a 22, 24, and a 26 in bundle. First, we're gonna start off with shipping. I ordered it on December 25th on Christmas Day, and I got it Friday afternoon. So it was like 4 days. It doesn't take it's not long. It's not long. It was perfect. I came on my birthday. They customer service wise, they gave me a lot of instructions, and it didn't come in the box that they usually give, which I really wish that it did come with a box, because I like how the box came. It had their name, their brand, and everything, but it just came in the regular plastic bag, and it didn't have anything, no pamphlet or nothing. But she did notify me and tell me that it wasn't going to come in. It wasn't going to come in like how it usually comes in because of Aliexpress. She sent me instructions on how to care the hair. Shampoo. I have to shampoo and condition and deep condition once a week. Don't use blow dryer or too much heat. Always use a heat protectant. Let air dry. Use flexi rods to curl. Use Tresemme. Smooth and silky shampoo and conditioner. Brush frequently end to roots. When closure is dry, put some knot sealers such as TDI Fast Track Hair Knot and tap tab sealer and wait for it to be dry again. If you order include closure, please take this tip. So they want us to use the TDI Fast Track Hair Knot. I don't know if I'm gonna be buying that. I don't know. I don't think I am. So if I really need to buy it, I will buy it. So then they contacted me more. They said, "Dear customer, could you leave your Instagram and social media and all that?" Then they was talking about shipping. They told me how many days it was gonna take for it to arrive from, if it was FedEx, DHL, TNT, DPEX, which I never heard of DPEX. So now let's So they came in these little packages, which I think is okay. We're gonna start off with the frontal, because the frontal is the most important thing right now. So this frontal is 20 inches long. The smell is not bad. It smells like regular bundle. Doesn't smell processed or nothing. Now this hair is super duper soft. This is super duper soft. So soft. Oh my gosh. So I don't want to break it because I'm gonna get to see how big it's gonna get. So this hair is gonna be pretty big. Let me look at the density. The lace color is really brown, and it low-key look like, no, the hairline is thin. Like the hairline is really thin, and I like that. So I don't know if it came pre-plucked. I don't know, but this is, I like this. I'm feeling this vibe, Beauty Forever. I'm feeling this vibe. So I don't have any bad things to say about it. I don't have any bad things to say about it right now. I don't experience any shedding right now. I got 2 strands. But no, curly hair is supposed to shed. That's all. That's what I'm gonna repeat this throughout. Curly hair is supposed to shed. It's curly hair for a reason. Frontal, I like it. I have no bad things to say about it. The hair is soft on the frontal and it's thick. All that I care about. Thick hair. Thick curly hair. I love thick curly hair. Next, we're going to be opening the bundles. Yeah. Now, when I first saw this, I was like, wait, how do I know which one is which? I'm like, how the heck am I supposed to know which one is which? So one, it has it right here. It tells you the inches. This one is a come on. It tells you the inches. This one is a 22, and that's just backwards. And this one is a 24 and a 26. So I'm going to open these all up. To keep in mind, bundles, when you order them, when you order longer lengths, they come with shorter ones. So hopefully, hopefully that doesn't really take my mind off of me making the. I'm starting this wig today. I'm starting this wig today, December 30th, the day after my birthday. Yes. Oh, and I forgot to wish y'all Happy New Year, happy late Merry Christmas, happy holidays. I know I'm going off track, but I just wanted to mention this. I'm sorry that I have not been here. I have been doing schoolwork, and when I tell you it's my senior year, so I have to be all in, high school is just bleh. But I have to be all in, and I'm ready. I'm ready to end this year. I'm ready. Wow. Yeah, you can definitely tell which one has more bundles, more wefts, because these two, the 22 and the 24 have more wefts than the 26. I'm looking at the ends now as I'm taking the netting material off, and I low-key don't like the ends. So this is the hair out of the package, and this is really thick and full and soft. I love soft hair. I love soft hair. And it's so beautiful. This is really beautiful. I feel if I put this in, it's gonna end up halfway to my butt. Cause I wanted long. My goal was to get long curly hair to my butt, and I like it to my butt. Cause I like this is to my butt. This is over my butt, and I like it to my butt. Okay. The ends. I'm not feeling the ends. The ends are I want the ends to have a loop. I want the ends to look healthy. And they don't look healthy, guys. They don't look healthy. But the texture, the pattern of this hair, guys, it is bomb.effing com. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Beauty Forever, I'm feeling this vibe. I'm feeling this curly vibe. About to start the new year with some new bundles. Yes. But let's look at this 26. This 26 is giving me because I never had long hair, and this is the first 26 that I have. Now, of course, you're gonna experience tangling because curly hair, but hopefully I don't experience a bunch of tangles. To summarize how I feel about this hair, the hair is soft, it's beautiful, the texture is beautiful, I don't have no foul smells, none. The frontal's beautiful, and the hairline looks actually great. I don't have to do a lot of plucking. The tint of the lace looks great. That will probably blend in, but I would just probably have to put my foundation, my powder on top of it. But I have no bad reviews on this hair right now. Like the unboxing review, I like it. I think I will love this hair. I think I will love this hair. That's how I feel right now. I think I will love this hair. But I will get back to you guys later. I'm going to be doing an updated review on this hair, and you probably see me in it. I'm going to be making a unit out of it. So I will see you guys in my next updated review. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this gives you a good idea of what the hair, how you receive the hair. And I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button, and also follow me on all social media. Bye guys.